Welcome to No Bitchin' CTV, your gateway to the hidden wonders beneath the waves. Today, we dive into a world where beauty hides dangerware. Grace conceals deadly secrets. Join us as we unravel the mesmerizing mystery of sea anemones, beautiful killers of the ocean. At first glance, sea anemones appear delicate, like underwater flowers blooming in silence. Their vibrant colors and hypnotic movements make them a favorite among divers and underwater photographers. But don't be fooled. These creatures are not just pretty decorations on the ocean floor. They're sophisticated predators with ancient survival strategies. Imagine walking through an underwater garden, where the flowers sway gently with the current, their colors pulsing with an alien beauty. But these aren't flowers. They're alive. They move. They eat, and some can kill. These are sea anemones, one of the ocean's most mesmerizing and misunderstood creatures. At first glance, a sea anemone looks like something out of a fantasy world, vibrant, tentacled, and almost magical. But beneath that delicate appearance lies a deadly truth. Sea anemones are carnivorous animals, yes, animals not plants. And they've been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the ocean's oldest predators. Biologically, sea anemones belong to the phylum Cnidaria, which they share with jellyfish, corals, and hydras. There are over 1,000 known species, ranging in size from just a few millimeters to over 1.5 meters across. Some live in tropical coral reefs, while others thrive in the darkest, coldest depths of the sea. Their bodies are soft and cylindrical, anchored to rocks, coral, or even shells. At the top of their column-shaped body is a central mouth, surrounded by a crown of tentacles. But don't let their peaceful swaying fool you. Each of those tentacles is armed with thousands of stinging cells called cytocytes. These cytocytes contain nematocysts, tiny, coiled harpoons loaded with venom. When triggered, whether by touch, vibration, or even chemicals in the water, these harpoons shoot out faster than the blink of an eye, piercing prey with incredible force. A small fish or unsuspecting shrimp that drifts too close might be paralyzed in seconds, then slowly drawn toward the anemone's mouth, where digestion begins. Sea anemones have no brains, no bones, no eyes, yet they are masters of survival. They use a network of nerves to sense their environment and respond to threats or opportunities. Some can even retract completely into their base if they sense danger, hiding from predators until it's safe to emerge. What's even more fascinating, sea anemones are capable of both sexual and asexual reproduction. Some release sperm and eggs into the water to create free-swimming larvae, while others simply clone themselves by splitting in two. This gives them an edge in surviving in unpredictable environments. To the untrained eye, a sea anemone may just seem like background decoration in an aquarium or a reef. But the truth is far more dramatic. These creatures are living paradoxes, beautiful yet brutal, simple yet sophisticated. They are proof that in nature, elegance and danger often go hand in hand. In the underwater world, not all hunters rely on speed, strength, or size. Some, like the sea anemone, are masters of a different game: patience, deception, and precision. Unlike sharks or barracudas that chase their prey through open water, sea anemones are ambush predators. They don't need to swim, run, or even move far from where they're planted. Their strength lies in being invisible. Hidden in plain sight, they use camouflage to blend perfectly with their surrounding coral rocks, seaweed, and even the ocean floor. Some sea anemones are so well disguised that even experienced divers can swim right past without noticing. Their colors and textures mimic everything from soft sponges to delicate plants. In deeper waters, where sunlight barely reaches, certain species even use bioluminescence, glowing in the dark to lure curious prey like moths to a flame. Then, in a split-second strike, the tentacles explode into action, stinging and trapping their prey in a toxic embrace. What looked like a harmless flower suddenly becomes a deadly trap. The captured animal is then dragged to the central mouth and slowly consumed. This method is not only efficient, it's energy saving by letting food come to them. Sea anemones can survive in environments where prey is scarce and energy must be conserved. Some even partner with mobile hosts, like hermit crabs, hitching a ride on their shells to gain access to more food-rich areas, turning the crab into an unwilling accomplice in their deadly game. They may not move fast, but sea anemones have mastered the art of waiting. They've evolved to become living traps, blending beauty and danger so seamlessly that their true nature is often only revealed in the final moments of the hunt. Narrator, voiceover, yet not all creatures fear the sting of the sea anemone. Enter the clownfish, perhaps the most famous sea anemone associate. These tiny, brightly colored fish form a mutualistic relationship with their venomous host. Immune to the anemone's sting, clownfish find shelter among the tentacles, protected from predators. In return, the clownfish provide the anemone with food scraps and better water circulation. Scientists believe this relationship evolved over thousands of years. It's nature's version of a perfectly balanced partnership. Sea anemones may not have brains, but their survival mechanisms are remarkably effective. Some of their venoms are so potent they can affect the nervous system of much larger animals. Researchers are now studying anemone venom for medical uses, including painkillers and treatments for autoimmune diseases. It turns out, what is deadly in the sea could be life-saving on land. Anemones reproduce both sexually and asexually. Some split in half to form clones, while others release eggs and sperm into the water. Their larvae float freely until they find a surface to attach to. And here's a fascinating fact. Some sea anemones can live for over 100 years. Their regenerative capabilities are astounding. If damaged, they can heal. If split, they can duplicate. Despite their resilience, sea anemones face growing threats. Climate change, ocean acidification, pollution, and habitat destruction are taking their toll. As the reefs die, so do the anemones that rely on them. And with them, entire ecosystems begin to unravel. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these beautiful assassins and the underwater worlds they help maintain. From ancient mythology to modern research, sea anemones have inspired awe and curiosity. In some cultures, they symbolize hidden strength and beauty. In labs, they hold clues to the future of medicine and biotechnology. They might seem simple, but their complexity is stunning. We still have so much to learn from them. Indeed, the more we uncover, the more we appreciate these creatures, not just as killers, but as keystones of the marine ecosystem. Elegant, enigmatic, and efficient. Sea anemones are nature's perfect paradox. Beautiful, but deadly. Thank you for diving with us into the mysterious world of sea anemones, beautiful killers of the ocean. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep sea wonders here on No Bitchin' CT.